being a first responder for many years, I was a police officer in Houston, I understand. I also lost my house in a flood. It's devastating, and we're going to try to do our part. As you can see, we have many trucks going down there from all our dealerships. We also want to mention that, for one, nobody wants to come to the dealership anyway, we get it. I want to make sure that I offer you guys any special pricing that we can afford. You don't have to come to our dealership, guys. We understand. We understand you're replenishing your homes, you're rebuilding your area. We will come to you. Work your car deal over the phone, we'll come to you. We're used to handling all the insurance companies. We understand what it takes. I've been in that situation before. If you're in the market for a Dodge Chrysler Jeep, a Ford, a Nissan, a Toyota, a Honda, we have them all. All you have to do is go to our website, call us. We have secured websites to help you. Work it over the phone. We'll sign on your kitchen table. And also, for you people here local in Dallas, if you ever thought you were upside down in your trade, you're probably not anymore. Your negative equity is gone. We're paying all the money for your trade. We have to replace 1.5 million cars replenish the cars that were lost in the flood. We want to help you guys get back on your feet. We understand how it is. Whatever we can do to help you, we're here to help. Please go to our websites, call us. If you need something, call us, we'll be there. Thank you very much.